Understanding the phrase, non-canon. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the meaning of the phrase, non-canon. This phrase might be a bit tricky to understand at first, but by the end of this video, you should have a clear idea of what it means and how to use it in a conversation. Firstly, let's break down the phrase, non-canon, into two parts, non and canon. The prefix, non, is used to indicate negation or absence of something. For example, non-toxic means something is not toxic. On the other hand, canon refers to a collection or list of books, music, or works that are accepted as genuine or authentic. In the context of stories, movies, or TV shows, canon refers to the material that is considered to be official or part of the original storyline. So, when these two words are combined to form non-canon, it refers to material that is not considered to be part of the official, original, or accepted storyline. Let's go through some examples to better understand this concept. 1. Fan fiction. If a fan of a particular book series writes their own story using the characters from that series, that story is considered non-canon. It's not part of the official storyline created by the original author. 2. Alternate endings. Sometimes, movies or TV shows might release alternate endings. These alternate endings are non-canon because they are not part of the main storyline that the creators originally intended. 3. Crossover stories. When characters from two different TV shows or book series come together in a story, it is often considered non-canon, unless the creators of both series have officially agreed to make it part of the storyline. You can use the phrase, non-canon, when discussing books, movies, TV shows, or any other form of storytelling. It's a way to clarify whether the material you are talking about is part of the official storyline or not. And that's it for today's video on the meaning of non-canon. We hope that this explanation has cleared up any confusion and that you now feel comfortable using this phrase in your conversations about books, movies, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.